Imagine this: golden, crispy fries hot from the kitchen, perfectly roasted veggies, and juicy chicken wings, all without a drop of guilt or a greasy mess to clean up. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro turns that dream into reality, and I'm here to tell you why this sleek, space-saving powerhouse deserves a spot on your countertop. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or just someone who craves convenience without sacrificing flavor, this air fryer is about to become your go-to kitchen gadget. Let's dive into what makes the Ninja Air Fryer Pro a game changer, and why you'll want to hit that Add to Cart button today. Why the Ninja Air Fryer Pro stands out. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro isn't just another appliance, it's a revolution in home cooking. With its air crisp technology, this fryer uses 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air to wrap your food in a crispy, golden hug, all while using little to no oil. That means you can indulge in your favorite fried foods, think fries, wings, or even mozzarella sticks, without the heavy calories or greasy aftermath. But it's not just about frying. This 4-in-1 wonder lets you air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you endless ways to whip up meals and snacks that hit all the right spots. What really hooked me was how it solves those pesky cooking problems we all face. Ever tried frying frozen foods only to end up with a soggy mess? Or spent ages scrubbing a pan after a quick meal? The Ninja Air Fryer Pro tackles these issues head-on, delivering extra crispy results from frozen in minutes and making cleanup a breeze with its non-stick basket. Plus, its compact design means it won't hog your counter space, even in the coziest of kitchens. Key features that'll make you hungry for more. Let's break down what makes this air fryer a must-have. 5-quart capacity. Big enough to cook 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of wings, perfect for family dinners or game night snacks. Air crisp technology. Superheated air at 400 degrees. Fahrenheit ensures every bite is crispy outside, tender inside, with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. 4 versatile functions. Air fry for snacks, roast for mains, reheat leftovers like a pro, or dehydrate fruits for healthy treats. Space-saving design. Sleek and compact. It fits any kitchen without eating up precious counter real estate. Non-stick basket and crisper plate. Cleanup is as easy as a quick rinse or a dishwasher cycle. No scrubbing required. 20 recipe book. Included, chef-inspired recipes and cooking charts spark creativity even on busy weeknights. Benefits that'll have you hitting Add to Cart. So, what's in it for you? Here are the top reasons the Ninja Air Fryer Pro is worth every penny. Healthier indulgence. Craving fried foods but watching your waistline? This fryer cuts fat by up to 75% compared to traditional methods, so you can enjoy crispy treats guilt-free. I made a batch of zucchini fries that were so crunchy, I forgot they were veggies. Time-saving magic. From frozen to fabulous in minutes, it's a lifesaver for hectic days. I tossed in frozen chicken tenders, and in 15 minutes, dinner was served. Crisp, juicy, and zero fuss. Versatility for every craving. Whether it's roasting a whole chicken, dehydrating apples for snacks, or reheating pizza to crispy perfection, this fryer does it all. It's like having a mini chef in your kitchen. Who's this fryer for? The Ninja Air Fryer Pro is perfect for anyone who loves great food but hates the hassle. Busy parents will appreciate its speed and easy cleanup. Dinner's done before the kids start whining. Health enthusiasts will love the low-fat cooking that doesn't skimp on flavor. And small space dwellers? Its compact design is a godsend for apartments or cozy kitchens. Even novice cooks can shine, thanks to the included recipe book that takes the guesswork out of meal prep. If you're tired of soggy microwave meals or endless dishwashing, this fryer's calling your name. Real talk. Any downsides? No product's perfect, so let's keep it real. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro's 5-quart capacity is awesome for small to medium families, but if you're hosting a huge party, you might need to cook in batches. Also, while it's quieter than some fryers, it's not silent. Expect a gentle hum as it works its magic. But honestly, these are small trade-offs for the crispy, delicious results you'll get every time. Why now's the time to buy? With the holiday season around the corner, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro is your ticket to stress-free entertaining. Picture this. You're serving up crispy appetizers, roasted sides, and dehydrated fruit garnishes, all from one sleek machine while your guests rave about your cooking. Plus, its health-focused features make it a smart choice for kicking off those New Year's resolutions without giving up flavor. I've been using mine for weeks, and it's already saved me hours in the kitchen and a few inches on my waistline.